Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi 17 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode. Okay, open camera. So we are in the standard photo mode. As you can see, it is highlighted. So all we need to do is to tap on this arrow here or swipe our finger from the top to the center to open more options. Here we've got the timer, so let's tap on it. And in this device we've got 4 different options, so off, 3, 5 and 10 seconds delay. So let me choose 10 seconds delay, for example. Just tap on the option I'd like to use. The icon will change slightly. So let's go back. Unfortunately, we do not have any kind of indicator that we've got the timer set here. Well, but that's okay. You simply need to remember that you've got the timer applied. So just tap on the shutter button, and from now on our device will count down from 10, 5 or 3, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Okay, and if you wish to turn off the timer, simply again tap on this arrow or swipe your finger from the top to the center, tap on the timer and choose this crossed out icon. And from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.